Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create Webflow portfolio, so let's get started. Open your browser and go to webflow.com and log into your account, or create a new one if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page. From there, go to the top right corner and click New Site. When a pop-up appears, select the Template option. Choose the Portfolio Starter template and click on it to continue. On the template page, click Use for Free to proceed. Wait a few seconds while your new website is being prepared. After it's ready, start editing the template to make it your own. You can easily change the text, replace the images, and customize any part of the design to match your personal style. Once you're satisfied with the look of your portfolio, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. From the drop-down menu, select Publish to selected domains. Wait for the process to finish, and then click the arrow icon next to your link to view your live portfolio. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.